Hey friends, today is July 23rd and we have a wedding here. This is a fairly good size. It's about maybe 200. Hopefully we can keep it down at around 200, so that'll be a nice intimate a wedding here. But again, today is July 23rd here in North Carolina. It is extremely hot. Today we're supposed to reach maybe around 97 degrees, so it's a little overcast right now, but that's perfect for me and for all of us here today. But right now I am standing in front of our entrance here to our beautiful venue here. So of course everything's in bloom here. All the flowers are up, they're all blooming. The hydrangeas here right behind me, as you can see here, they're all in full bloom. Everything here is nice and green. So I'm going to give you a quick tour here as I turn the camera around here, and we're going to see what we set up inside. This was all done in about a few days, but last night was where we put on all the finishing touches, right? So let me swing the camera around here. Okay, so as you can see, nice overcast day. Oh yeah, beautiful hydrangeas. Oh, and one more thing, right? One more thing. So, I don't know if you can see all these hydrangeas back here. We planted these maybe 2 months ago, and it's in full bloom. So we actually had used a lot of these for our decoration inside. But let's go back inside here. So here's the parking for handicap here. It's all reserved area here for parking for handicap. But as you walk through here, this is the little walkway. Of course, we have the fire pit going on. Still smoking. But if you just kind of look around here, right? Everything's in full bloom. Beautiful. Okay. And our wall is coming extremely well with, it's been being used a few times. So here's a little cocktail hour setup, getting ready. So we added another sofa out here to just give people a place to sit, converse, and of course some tables here that they can put their drinks, little snacks up here, and some ash jars, if you were wondering what these are. So for smokers here, so they're not throwing all their cigarette butts everywhere and ashes everywhere, so we've got these stationed around the place here. So this is where the bartender is going to be at. We're going to have maybe 3 full-time bartenders today. It's going to be a big wedding here, so getting things set up for the bartender. Remember to always tip your bartender, everyone. Here's a beautiful sign. And of course, this is a vintage theme, so we have a vintage typewriter there. The keys, everything do work. Leave us a note, leave us a love note. And then they put their love note in here, and these are the paper they use right here to put their notes in for the bride and groom. And some old luggages, some beautiful old luggages here. And this, of course, this place here they can also use to take photos before they enter into the barn. So we're gonna go in there. I'm gonna change the filter off, so it might be a little bright here. Okay, see if I can do this one-handed. Here we go. And let's go inside. Need to fix that creek. So again, this is for 200 people, okay? 200 people. Let me turn on the lights, I think. Give us a bit more lighting in here. And we'll swing over here, flip on the light switch. There we go. So yeah, recently, these were recently added. During our last wedding, it was extremely hot. And so we needed some airflow in here. So my wife and I added these fans in here just maybe 2 weeks ago. And it has helped tremendously. And so yeah, my wife, daughter, they did all the setup here. Took them over maybe 2.5 days to get all this done. Again, these are all our flowers from the garden. The hydrangeas, the zinnias. And all these flowers are from our garden. Yeah, so throughout this whole place, all the centerpieces here are from our inventory. So before the guest starts arriving, we're gonna turn on all the candles, turn on the lights on every table. It's gonna look spectacular. It's gonna be very beautiful, very intimate setting, even though it's 200 people. So here's the other side. DJ is gonna be on the corner over there. And so here, let me swing here. So reserve signs, take this cup out of the way. And again, all this is made by my wife. All the signs are done through our Glow Forge. I'm gonna just walk to the back here. This is where the dessert table is gonna be at. And some knickknacks for the kids. So this section here, dessert table, cakes, all that stuff, good stuff. Swing around here. And being that it's so hot, we're gonna have the ceremony inside here. So the bride and groom is gonna come through the double door behind me. And they chose this arbor here. So we've actually added a few more arbors since I last came onto the video here, since I last recorded, maybe about a month ago. And then there's also another little dessert table on the side here. There, this is something new that we just added. The white dessert table there. So again, this is for today, and looking forward to serving these beautiful people today here on this very special day for the bride and groom. Okay, so let me see if I can get this swing around. So that is it, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour here. I would like to record this, more, but being that we are so busy, I actually recorded a few other weddings, but just the editing and putting it all together, it takes so much time. So time is something I don't really have, being I still work full time and kind of help my wife and kids on this journey of theirs here. So I will leave it as is for today. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour here. And again, we are Willow Creek Farm Center here in Midland, North Carolina, okay? So yeah, we cater to everyone. So if you have a space you need, give me a call, shoot me a message, all right? And we'll see what we can do. Okay, We'll see you, friends.